this is how you're going to learn language in 2024. Hi, I'm your favorite language learning partner. I share my language learning journey and also tips to help you learn languages. So the first thing you have to do is you need to set clear objectives. This means that you need to set clear goals. Do you want to improve your pronunciation? Do you want to learn more vocabulary? Do you want to improve your listening comprehension skills? Do you want to speak the language better? You have to make sure that you create these clear objectives because you cannot achieve the goals if you don't set the right goals. If you have issues setting goals, you can visit my profile to get a copy of the goal setting guide that walks you through how to set SMART goals. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to create a realistic plan. How much time do you have to spend on learning a language per day, per week? How many objectives are you going to achieve in a week, in a day, in a month? What are the activities that you're going to do in order for you to get to your goal? You have to make sure that the plan that you set is doable for you and is something that you can follow for the long term. If you create a plan that is not maintainable, you're going to become very easily discouraged and then you're not going to do anything. For example, for me, I actually want to be able to speak fluent French by the end of next year. My plan is to do language exchanges, go to language events, write in my journal, talk to myself, make videos of myself speaking French. The amount of times that I'm going to do these things depend on each of the activities. I make sure that it is in a way that I can fit into my daily life. Next thing that you're going to do, and this is a very important one, is to immerse yourself in the language. I feel like this is one of the best ways to actually learn a language because you get to see how it's being used in a natural setting. So watch videos, watch children's shows, read children's books, watch YouTube videos, listen to podcasts, listen to music, do activities that you enjoy and try to find ways to incorporate the language in the activity that you're doing. It's also important to find material that is currently at your level but has a little bit more difficulty to it so that you can learn new things while you're being immersed. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to track your progress. This one is really important to maintain your motivation. I feel like sometimes we get so caught up in thinking about how far we have left to get to our goal and how many things we have left to do that we completely forget all the things that we have already done and all the things that we have already achieved. In order for you to see these things, you need to track your progress. Keep a Google spreadsheet if you want to, make notes and review your notes. You'll see how much you've learned so far. Celebrate your small wins. Whenever you have a milestone and you've completed that milestone, do something nice for yourself. It really helps with your motivation. If you do feel demotivated or you feel frustrated with your language learning journey, you can always go back and look at all the progress you've made, and I promise it will make you feel a lot better. Something else that you're going to do is to join a language community. You can do this by finding persons online. You can use apps. I personally love using HelloTalk, and they also have groups online as well. Having a community is very helpful because if you're experiencing something that you're struggling with, you can always reach out for help and there will be someone who can help you. Either you can relate to them because they're also going through something similar, or you can meet someone who can help you get through it because they've already experienced it. If you live in a country where they have language meetups at cafes or they do dinners or they just have some community that you can go to in person, I would highly recommend that you do that. I know that it can be really scary at first, but I promise you, after you've done it once, it's going to feel like nothing. All you have to do is just show up and it will help you a lot in your language learning journey. Those are 5 things that you can do to commit to your language learning journey and actually learn a language in 2024. Don't forget to visit my profile and get your copy of the goal setting guide so that you can start out this year with achieving your language learning goals. See you in the next one.